Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I am dressed really early this morning because I just felt like it, you know? Some days you just feel like it. I'm wearing this cute New York sweater. I'm obsessed with it. It's one of my favorites. And I just put a button down under and like leather leggings and boots. I'm going to do some returns at UPS and I have to ship Poshmark and I have to return my charger at Best Buy. And then I'm gonna come back home. Me and Bridget are going uptown today to go to Ralph's to take some photos because if you don't know, their like Christmas setup is really cute. I probably will just keep this on. I was like, I feel like it matches cute for the like Christmas vibe. I'm also listening to Olivia Jade's podcast out there for the first time. I'm like so bad at listening to podcasts and I want to get better and I've been wanting to listen to her podcast, so we're doing it today. And then like that's really all my plans for today, but you never know what the day brings you, so we'll see. My god, guys, that literally took so long for actually no reason. The line at UPS was insane and I waited for just the printer to be not working, so then I had to go to FedEx to print, then back to UPS to ship my package, also return something at Best Buy, and then also ship my Poshmark. Just a lot of running around and it took so long. Like there was one person working at UPS and like a million people in line, so that was annoying. And then I'm realizing I left that candle on the whole time I've been gone, which is not good, but luckily my apartment didn't burn down. And now I need to quickly get ready because I am delayed. I'm very late for meeting Bridget uptown. Guys, we're at Ralph's, but we had a little trauma because Bridget,
when did we not
I mean, we both took the subway and I got off. I think she was like a train ahead of me or something and I got off. We get to like one stop before we're leaving and they're like everybody off the train and like made a huge deal. And I was like, oh my god, I have to get off and walk. And then suddenly I'm texting Bridget, but it's not sending. And I'm like, she's definitely stuck.
Thankfully, Klea was in the spot where like she could get off. Not me. I was surrounded by black walls. Okay, yeah. No Wi-Fi, nothing.
That's really scary. But we made it like an hour later, literally. And
so traumatized.
We're gonna go get our coffee and try to take a pic. We've got the spread. I got a croissant and a donut. And we got a drink. They have the cutest cups here.
Hot cocoa.
Bridget got hot chocolate. And we moved tables because this one has a cuter background. Hi guys. Next day, last night, Drew came over. We made dinner and we started Married at First Sight. What did you think, Drew?
That's not something I want to watch anymore.
Yeah, you liked it. Don't lie. Anyways, I just got 2 packages. I want to show you guys quickly. I got these cute New Balances that everybody has, but I like them a lot because I don't have anything navy. And then you guys would know if you saw the vlog a few days ago, I got these, not exactly these, they were a little bit different. The bottom was different, but they sent me a size 11 and I'm a size 7 in shoes, so they were so big. So I am exchanging them for these, which I kind of like better because the bottom is less like huge, like moon boot like. And I think they're so cute. I really like the Shirley in the middle, and I think the tie that's like checkered is super cute too. So excited for those. They're like definitely more wearable than like the moon boot bottom ones. Something's happened. There's suddenly a huge H&M package here. I'm scared. We have to open it. Okay, there's a bunch of items in here. Let's go through them. Let's start with this because I'm wearing green today, so green vibes. Ooh, guys, we love her. She matches my outfit, which is from Zara, by the way, in case you're wondering. I'm gonna go out like this and be leprechaun next to Drew. He's pissed. Every time he comes here during the day, he always gets pissed because I have too many packages. And we've got this little navy Sherpa moment. This will match my new sneakers. Perfect. Okay, then we've got this pullover thing, which I like because it's longer, so I feel like it will be cute with leggings. Guys, look at this thing. This is like huge. I knew it was like big, but it turns out that it's huge. I cannot keep this. I mean, like, I think I got a medium. I need like an extra small. This is so large. She's going back, but everything else was cute. Hello. I've put on my outside clothes. Well, like a jacket and a hat and the Uggies. We are gonna go return something at UPS. and then get dinner groceries. I want to make bacon wrapped asparagus, but I don't know what else I want to make with it. And Drew wants mashed potatoes.
Yes.
So we've got 2.
Yes.
Oh my god. We've got 2 things on the list, but like maybe steak. Is that weird with bacon wrapped asparagus? I don't know. Are you gonna get up ever or no?
What do you want? I'm still working. I'm still on the fucking clock till 5.
No, you're not. Come on. I want to go.
I'm just gonna have to wait in line at the fucking UPS.
And the grocery store. Oh no. He's sick. He's sick.
Oh my god.
Dinner has been made. We made some steak. This is my sauce for my bacon wrapped asparagus that we have in there. We made corn with tortilla cheese and crushed red pepper. And then microwave mashed potatoes because YOLO. We don't have enough pan. And Drew over there is watching Married at First Sight when he said, alone without me, when he said he's never gonna see it again.
I'm bored.
Sure. But we're almost done with the asparagus and then we're gonna eat. She's finished. So professional. Drew already got started. And we're gonna keep watching TV for the rest of this night. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, I've not an adventure.
This is the start of the vlog of this day. I look so weird in this hat. Like I have a hard time every time I wear it. It really needs to be the right angle. But I'm wearing this fluff coat and we're taking cute pictures. Actually, this looks cute. Selfie version. We're at this cute coffee shop and it has this like cute little setup, so I'm trying to get some pics, but as I said, I struggle when I wear this thing on my head. So we'll see how they came out.
I don't know, some people look so good and now I'm scared what I would look like.
It's just like your ears stick out. It's the night. We're going to see the Christmas tree tonight. You know when you get a new coat and you like the pockets are shut? But we're going to see the Rockefeller tree. There's a special guest back there also changing. I know you can see him. We're going to see the tree with Drew's roommates, and then we're gonna also go to the Winter Village in Bryant Park, which will be cute. I wore all green so I can match the tree. And my new Uggies, of course. I have my Farfetch code now, so if you want the Ultra Mini Uggs, go on Farfetch. My code is 10 Klea. 10 KLEA. I have an important update that I'm bringing out the fuzzy Jacquemus bag because it matches my Uggs. And it's cute. I don't know if I was vlogging when I got this, but it's like the cutest winter bag ever. We made it uptown. It was literally boiling.
It's hard to breathe up here.
It's so hot. Like, I think it's hot out today in general, and like I'm wearing too many layers and my Uggs are making me really hot. But look. Drew got the exact same order. Hi guys, so I'm getting ready. I wanted to show you because I just opened this Euphoria blush. It's green, but it's a blush. It's supposed to be like a chemical reaction with your skin. I just tried it on this side and it's actually really pretty, so I wanted to show you on the other side. So it's like green in there, but when you touch it to your skin, it turns pink. I just did like a couple dots and then I blended it in with a brush. It's supposed to like have a chemical reaction with your skin to match your like exact shade. I might have done like a little too much on that side, but it's really pretty. I've heard really good things about this too, so I was excited to try. I'm getting ready and I need to film some TikToks and then I'm going to BG. It's Bridget's last day at BG, So she's gonna shop before her discount runs out. And we're also gonna take a pic. I'm gonna rewear what I wore last night because last night I was with only boys and they obviously, I'm not asking them for photos, so now we're gonna take photos. Also, while we're here, I'm like annoyed because my eyelashes on this eye are coming off like at an exponential rate so quickly, and it's been like not even a week. They shouldn't be coming off already, and this one has so many. Very annoying. I just have like a feeling I'm gonna have to go back like after Christmas break, which I don't want to because you saw I hate going. It like gives me extreme anxiety because I hate laying there with my eyes closed for that long. End of my rant. I forgot my vlog camera at home, so we're phoning it today. We're trying to find a place to take a photo.
I actually don't have a job as of right now.
Yeah, she's unemployed for a week. It's her last day, so she's gonna go buy something at BG.
Free.
I think I might have said it before. You feel free?
Yeah, I feel free right now, so I have nothing to do.
That's actually amazing. I'm really jealous. Yeah, we're trying to figure out pick situation. And we're gonna get hit. Suddenly, we're back at the tree. It looks so beautiful. Hi, vlog. We like have been forgetting Shannon's here too. We've been forgetting.
Shannon's first time meeting the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Wait, you've never met vlog?
Shannon's also our coworker.
I just can't get a hold of my hair. Okay, I just can't get a hold of my hair and my mask.
So Bridget got nothing on her last day, but it's fine. Oh, yeah. Shannon got cute sunglasses.
Should I try them on?
Yeah.
I'll give the people what they want to see.
I feel like I'm living like Groundhog's Day because I wore this exact same outfit seeing the exact same thing last night. But it's fine. Here are the glasses, super chic. Look at the side. They have like the cutie Chanel pearls. A model, a Christmas model. Vlog Inception. Wait, low-key sunset goals. It's like purple. We're back at home. We got a sushi spread for tonight because every single person in America has COVID right now. So we have to stay at home and eat sushi. Drew, do you have anything to say
Why
today?
does that affect us having sushi?
Well, we couldn't go out because everybody's sick. I just took a shower, so I'm brushing my hair before I can eat.
Actually, I'm gonna cover this back.
Why? You're waiting for me?
No. I like soup first.
Oh, I like alternate. I like to alternate soup, sushi. We also got some gyoza.
You don't eat sushi, you eat freaking fraudulent sushi.
But I don't eat fraudulent sushi. I don't eat fish, so mine is just veggie. And all this, Drew lined up all the sauces for us. And we're still watching this, Married at First Sight. If you guys have seen this, let me know your thoughts. We're on episode 9. We're getting there, halfway through. Looking very pale, ghost-like right now. But tomorrow morning is Friday. Bridget's coming over in the morning and we're gonna take photos. And then I have my eyebrow microblading appointment tomorrow. So I'll bring you guys along. That should be kind of interesting. And that's it. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, Bridget's here.
Howdy.
With a suitcase again.
Yep.
We're going to take photos. And it's warm out, so we're happy. And it's Friday, so we're happy. And Bridget's first day as a free woman, unemployed for a week.
Woohoo.
And I'm jealous. I have my computer on over there, hoping no one contacts me.
You're jealous of me.
Okay, we've changed into our second fits. I'm wearing this huge sweater that I actually got yesterday, and this is...
I want to try here.
Okay. I ordered a different color of it, but they sent me this and I kind of like it, so I'm keeping it. And jeans and sneakers, basic. Bridget's wearing sweats. We've changed again. I'm wearing...
Don't show mine.
Very casual.
As you show mine.
Very casual today. Look who's here still.
You're working hard.
Look at me. Look at me go.
It's really nice because it's like hot out today, like very hot. So
I just had peanuts for breakfast.
Hey!
yeah, but they're
I'm the
good.
employee spotlight today.
Oh yay! Congrats.
I'm such a hard worker.
And then we're gonna stop by Nate app little pop-up thing. I'll show you guys when we get there. everything. I'll show you guys the process. I'm probably not gonna talk, but I'll show you videos. Okay guys, I'm home. Eyebrows are done. Drew's still here.
She won't let me leave.
It's not his own choice. I make him stay here. If you haven't ever gotten your eyebrows microbladed and you have questions about it, let me know. This is like my 3rd time doing it. I feel like they came out good. I always go to Ever True Salon in Flatiron. They're pretty good. But this is like way darker than they'll be. They just like are a tattoo. So, you know, they fade. It kind of hurt. I feel like it starts off like not hurting at all, and then like towards the end it starts to hurt a little bit. But the first time I ever did it, guys, it was so funny. What?
So damn.
Drew's really stressed because his laundry apparently is damp.
Feel it.
I don't think that they're that damp.
It's wet.
They're not wet. Oh my god. The first time that I got them done, they like, if you don't know, they turn like really dark. Like the next day I woke up, it looked like I had like Sharpie eyebrows. It was scary and I had to go to the DMV. I went to Trader Joe's for a dinner tonight. Also, because yesterday I received a box full of like 1 million veggie burgers.
8.
So
8 to be exact.
we're gonna make these tonight. They look good. Actual Veggies is the brand. I'll show you a haul of what I got at Trader Joe's. Started off with something super important. 2 bottles of wine. And then buns. I couldn't find them for so long and I was like, are hamburger buns like only a summer thing? But they're not. Lettuce, ketchup, chicken sausages. I got these for tomorrow because I want to make pasta because I found this sauce. Truffle spicy sauce. Looks really good. I'm excited to try it. I got an onion.
Wow, you've actually got ketchup.
Yeah. I don't like ketchup really, so that's why he says that. Brussels. And last but not least, cheese.
Damn.
So I went off at the Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna take this moment to say I'm ending Vlogmas here. It is
no.
It is extreme COVID times in the city. Like we literally can't do anything because every single person we know has COVID. So we are staying inside for the rest of the weekend, and then I'm going home for Christmas. And I'm sure if you've been watching the Vlogmas, you would know there's nothing to do at home or like nothing to film. So I'm gonna end it here. If you've seen all the Vlogmases, thank you so much for watching. It's been super fun. My first ever Vlogmas. If you haven't, go back and watch them and have a good time. And like and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Smash the like from Drew. Okay, bye.